Hello, it's Chris here. Welcome back. I've missed you. I really have. I've missed going through these steps with you. I hope you've missed me as well. And I hope more importantly, you're ready to tackle Module 2. Are you? You are? That's what I like to hear. Fighting talk. I have my coffee in front of me as well, so everything is good in the world. So let's jump in straight away. Now, we've already talked, haven't we, in Module 1 about the 4-step process to determining the commercial viability of a potential niche. Remember those 4 steps? I'm sure you do. Step 1 was brainstorming niche ideas. Step 2 was discovering the search volume for that particular niche. Step 3 was analyzing the competition. And Step 4 was determining if affiliate products even exist. Then once we understood these 4 steps, we actually went and did some pretty extensive niche research, and we talked about side door selection as well. So far so good. Now, what's going to happen? Let me tell you. Once we determine a niche and a side door idea to enter into that niche with, we then need to firstly create this side door offer, and we also need to create a one-page website to give away this side door offer. We're going to be doing all that and more in this module. Oh yes, we are. Now remember how successful affiliate marketing works. It starts with positioning ourselves in a profitable niche. We then give away our side door offer, and then we will market a relationship ROI series of emails to our prospects. Now what I mean by that is we will not email affiliate products immediately to our prospects. So many people do. Literally, the very first email that so many send is boom! They try and hit them up to buy something. That's not what we want to do. That's affiliate marketing 1.0. We want to be smarter than that. We want to use 2.0's techniques and strategies. So instead, we will treat our prospects as, dare I say it, how we would like to be treated. Now, before we went live with affiliate.com, Mike and I released 4 pre-launch videos. You may have seen all of these videos. In video number 3, if you've seen video 3, and I'll show you where it is in a second if you've missed it, in video 3, I built a list of 500 people, but I didn't email an affiliate link for 2 weeks. In fact, it was 13 days, so pretty much 2 weeks. But instead, during those 2 weeks, what I did was as follows. I sent out some unadvertised bonuses. I started discussions with those on my list, and I will show you. Don't worry if you're thinking, well, where do we get these unadvertised bonuses? How do I start a discussion? Don't worry, I will be showing you exactly how to do this in your niche very soon. But my point is, as soon as I did send out an affiliate email 13 days later, out of those on my list, out of the 500 people, 34 of them bought a product, and I made $1,469 in 48 hours. In fact, if you haven't seen this video, here is where you can see this actual video of me doing this. Here we are at affiliate.com, and if you click on this tab at the top here that says resources, if you click on pre-launch course, in fact let's click on that very quickly, so click on pre-launch course, it's actually video 3 here, so let me click on video 3, and in this video you can see me doing exactly what I'm talking about. Let me just pause that video. So that's where to find that video of me making almost $1,500 in 48 hours from my list. And the point of me mentioning this is I would never have been able to make this money if I had not spent some time working on this relationship with my list, this relationship ROI, that is the 3rd strategy of successful affiliate marketing. This really is the difference between failure and success online. And it's funny, I do see an awful lot of people that say they understand this, yet they still email an affiliate message almost immediately. And when I ask people, why did you do this? You understood the process. A lot of people say the same thing. They say, yeah, I know, Chris, but I was excited to try and make a sale, or I was a little bit impatient to try and get my hands on some money. I understand we're all here to make money. You know, I'm exactly the same. I started in this business to make money as well. There's nothing wrong with that, but there are smarter ways to do it. If you want a serial cycle income, you want to resist that temptation to try and make some money immediately. Remember I said in one of the earlier videos, all the money, the real money, is in the back end. So you need to be a little bit patient. Any business, on or offline, knows that. They build their customer base first, and then they market related products to that customer base. Not all will buy, but if you treat your customer base well, some certainly will. And that's really what I want you to understand, because that's the key to successful affiliate marketing. So let's now use one of the niches that we've looked at in Module 1, and in our pretty intensive niche research we found quite a few niches that could be perfect. We looked at cooking and genealogy and back pain, how to draw from memory. What else was there? Memory training. How ironic, I'm trying to remember the one about memory training. Outsourcing, Spanish I seem to recall. Let's choose one and let's concentrate on that one, and then let's continue. And I've decided to choose how to draw as the niche that I'm going to try and monetize, mainly because, to be perfectly frank with you, it sounds fun. I know nothing about it. I've always secretly wanted to be a good drawer. I'm a terrible drawer. And also, more importantly, it does check all our boxes. It passed our profitability test. So, how to draw is going to be the niche that we are going to attempt to get into and monetize, okay? And for our side door offer, I'm going to use one of the results that we discovered when we dug down a little bit deeper, and we came across the idea of how to draw a superhero, didn't we? Remember that? It just sounds a kind of fun side door offer, a great side door into the profitable how to draw niche. So let's recap. We now know our niche that we decided upon, how to draw. We know our side door offer, how to draw a superhero. Now what? Now what do we do? Well, during this module we're going to create our one-page websites. There's going to be a few different ways you can do that as well, and I will go through all of them. We're going to create our free side door offer. Before we do that, though, there are a quick few things I'd like to explain to you first, so you have a complete picture of how your web business will work. Now, I know you understand the 4 steps to successful affiliate marketing, but I want to flip things for a moment, and I want to look at things from your potential customers' point of view. When somebody turns up at your eventual one-page website, I want to go through the process of what happens next and what happens where, so you can really understand the roadmap, if you like, of the journey of a visitor at your site, and how we turn that visitor into a prospect, i.e. that means we get them to sign up at your list, and then how we convert them from a prospect into a paying customer. So let's go through that whole process. Let's do that in the next video.